Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back. I was going to start my nails, so we're going to completely ignore my nails in the video, and then I got this package in, so I decided to postpone doing my nails and just record this video for you guys, for everyone instead. So I got a delivery in from Magic Gel from the US distributor Darcy Olin, who is the owner of Nail Innovations. So let's see what I got in. I decided to order the Acrygel starter kit. So I've been testing out the Acrygel to see if I like it, and so far I've been using a couple of the products here and there. And so with the starter kit, you get all of these in here. You get the silicone thin base, you get the baby pink cream puff, blush, elegance, romantic warm, romantic cool, crystal shine, Swiss white shine, and the tackless hyper shine. The only thing that you don't get in with this whole Acrygel starter kit is the clear. So I decided to order the full size 60 ml in the clear. On top of that, I have this little teeny sample of the color Gentle Whisper. So this is the color, which is actually a really nice, like almost like a lilac purple color. Before I started using this, I was strictly a hard gel nail tech. I wasn't sure if I was ever going to try like a polygel or an Acrygel. And then when Darcy became the US distributor for Magic Gel, you have to check out the website. I'll have the link in the description box. I think she has little like trial kits. I have a couple of other videos on my YouTube channel talking about Magic Gel, so go check them out. The one difference with this, and this is why I really like this system from Magic Gel, is because this is the only Acrygel that I've seen right here. Self levels. And I've never seen an Acrygel that self levels before. You need to try this out. You just need to try this out. So I'm still going to be using my hard gel, but I decided to take the leap and just get the whole entire starter kit, so that way with my clients I will now be offering Acrygel to my clients, and this is the Acrygel system I will be having on my menu and I will be offering. So without further ado, let's get into it and let me show you all of the colors that Magic Gel has to offer. So in here, you get a nice pack of nail forms, a tackless hyper shine top coat. If you haven't tried this, you need to try this. This is slowly becoming one of my favorite top coats, and a Canadian nail tech that I've been following for a while, Carrie, I'm gonna write her name on the screen. For years, I've been hearing her say, oh my God, this top coat is amazing. This top coat is amazing. Now I know why, Carrie, if you're watching this video, now I know why you keep saying this top coat is absolutely amazing. And now I'm going to say this top coat is absolutely amazing. You need to try it for yourself to realize how amazing this top coat is. Just trust Carrie and I when both of us say that this top coat is amazing. You also have a silicone thin base. Now on the website, silicone thin base, I still have a sample bottle of it, but silicone thin base, when you go look on Darcy's website, comes in either a full-size bottle like this, the 15 ml, or you have it in a pot. So it's still the same product. It just depends if you want it, if you prefer it in a pot where you use a brush, or you want it in a bottle. So it just depends on what you want to use. I have now so much silicone thin base, I don't need to buy it anytime soon. Before I open these colors, let's take a look at the clear. Ew. Ooh. Oh. Ooh, I like how full these pots are. So this is the clear. So it's not 100% crystal clear. So if you needed anything to be encapsulated, I would use this as the base, and then I would probably top it off with probably like something from their hard gel line, like diamond fiber. I'd probably encapsulate it with diamond fiber or something else, maybe like a builder in a bottle. Say something like their nail guard, and I would top it off, like encapsulate something like that if you needed to do an encapsulation, depending on what you were doing. But, oh, I cannot wait to play with this. Next up, let's actually go with the whites. Okay, before we go with the pinks. So we have, there's Swiss White Shine, and Crystal Shine. Let's go with Crystal Shine. Let's see what Crystal Shine is. So Crystal Shine is a clear with tiny glitter. Ooh. Holy. Look at that lid. OMG. That color looks amazing. Definitely is going to add sparkle to anything. Oh. Let's do Swiss White and Swiss White Shine. Okay. I want to point something out. What I really like Magic Gel for is their labeling. So with the top of the labels, you can literally see where it says self-leveling, sculpting builder, and it has Acrygel. Now, both of these are Swiss White, but this is a shine and this isn't. This says camouflage, this says camouflage. This says with tiny glitter. So you can see why this is a shine, because it has tiny glitter and this one doesn't. See what this Swiss White looks like. So this is a white. Okay. And then let's compare the Swiss White Shine. Ooh, I actually like that one. Okay. So now you can see the difference between Swiss White and Swiss White Shine. I actually like the Swiss White Shine. Swiss White Shine, this will actually be good, believe it or not. I mean, both of them are good depending on what your client likes, like in terms of like your classic like pink and whites. But, I mean, come on. Who doesn't want, I mean, I don't know if my camera is going to pick up that little bit of like sparkle. I mean, but I like the Swiss White Shine. These two colors I actually already have. And this is Elegance and Cream Puff. Puff is probably actually my most used color I have out of both of these. Both of these are excellent colors. And this one I probably reach for the most. This is Cream Puff. And this is a camouflage with a soft and neutral tone. And then you have Elegance. which is a camouflage with a neutral dusty pink tone. I like how everything is literally written in the lid. So you can literally see how both of them are that neutral tone, but as they say, this is a dusty pink and this is a soft neutral tone. Next up, we have Baby Pink, which once again, it is a camouflage. This is a soft pink tone. Ooh. Actually, really, I will say that it's a little bit pinker than I thought. That's still nice though. Somehow I was still thinking baby pink, but that's still a nice baby pink. I don't know. I'm gonna swatch these out at the end and I'll show you everything all together, like swatched out. And I'm gonna open up this one next. This one is blush and this was a soft tone pink. Oh, so this is a brighter, like soft tone baby pink. Hard to choose literally which pink. I'm actually really happy that I decided just to say screw it and get the whole entire starter kit. The last two in all of this is a romantic warm and romantic cool. Now all of these pinks are all a camouflage pink, if you haven't picked up on that. This one is a cool tone and this one is a warm tone. So let's see what this one is. That is actually really pretty. Okay. And let's see this one. I'm excited to see all of these together. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Has like a nice blue undertone to it. This has like a peach undertone to it. Ew. Ew. I'm all excited now with all of these new colors. I want to play. I totally want to play now. Okay, so let me open up all of these. I'm going to swatch everything out. It'll be a couple minutes, but for you it'll be like a hot second. And then I'm just going to tell you, I may or may not pick out my favorite color. But in the comments, I'm going to have you guys tell me if you have a favorite color or not. So give me a couple seconds. I hope you liked this unboxing video with everything that comes in the starter kit with the Acrygel system from Magic Gel. When I first started getting into Acrygel, I wasn't sure if I really wanted to invest in it right away. So when Darcy first started getting it, she had this really small free trial kit for limited time. And then after that, then I bought the ultimate starter kit, which I do have a video if you're not sure if you want to get this that you just saw me open or if you want to get the ultimate starter kit, which does have a little bit of everything from Magic Gel. So definitely check out that video. After playing around with the Acrygel system from Magic Gel, that's when I just decided, you know what, let me just invest in the whole entire Acrygel system, because I absolutely love this. I love the fact that one of the big things that sets this apart from all other Acrygel / polygel systems is that this self-levels. I don't have to use any sort of slip solution, and I can really truly take my time, and I don't have to worry about this flooding into the sidewalls with my clients in the cuticle area. I can go anywhere from like a medium length, or I can practice any of my like extreme like competition like pieces, and I don't have to worry about the product and I can truly take my time. Any of my clients that I've used this on, they love the product, I love the product, and now I have so many colors to choose from. If you really haven't tried this, go take a look at Darcy's website. Now you have so many colors to choose from. As I said, the only thing that you don't get in this kit is the clear, but as you can see, you have 2 different size options. In this kit, all of the Acrygel containers are 15 mil, so is the silicone thin base and the tackless hyper shine top coat. As I said, the clear that I bought that doesn't come in this kit is a 60 mil container. If anyone has any other questions about the Acrygel, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite color is, and if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.